morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are happy. So let's start our computer subject. So today we are going to start our lesson number 3, Windows 7. In this lesson we will learn about what is window and how does it work, and desktop icons, and about desktop. And each step wise we will learn more about this window, new facility for us to do our work more graphical. So on page number 24, pink box, window is an operating system. Okay, so here your question is clear. What is Windows 7? Window is an operating 7 and operating system. 7 is name of the version, new changes done in 7. So window is an operating system. With this Windows 7 you can do your work. It is an essential part of computer. Okay, a computer cannot work without Windows. So your question is more clear that window is an operating system and without this you cannot do your work. So here it is one picture. Windows 7 is going on work with help of this Windows 7 on the monitor screen, and keyboard, your mouse, and your CPU, mind of the computer, processing part. Okay, so now we will learn in a few points. Windows make the computer capable of. Now what is the use of Windows 7 for the computer? How does it is helpful? First of all, taking input through its input device. It take input device, keyboard. It with the help of keyboard it takes input data. Okay, second thing, processing the input, and process is done in the CPU with the help of input device, keyboard. Third thing, display the output, you get the result on the monitor screen. Okay, so that's why window is an operating system, it is called, and it is helpful for us. You can type with the help of keyboard, and work you did with the keyboard process goes in the CPU and the result is shown on the monitor screen. So it displays the output. Storing the data on storage device and reading it, and also you can store your data and you can read for the future. There is an option when you want you can read also in future, so that saves your work also, and it is done with the help of Windows 7 and operating system. Now on the page number 25 we will learn more about the desktop. Booting the computer with Windows. Now how does the window run? Okay, so first of all, when computer is switched on, when you switch on your computer, it reads. Okay, so it reads Windows from its hard disk and loads it in its memory. Okay, when you switch on your computer, so it is loaded, work is started. To start work, before that hard disk read everything and work loads with the help of memory in it, and this process is called booting. Okay, now after booting you switched on, and hard disk also know that now it is switched on and I have to start my work. A message is given. So after booting, window desktop as shown below appears on the monitor. When you switch on and booting is done, you will able to see this screen. Okay, so this is the screen, desktop background. Okay, background, and this is icon on the background on the desktop icon, one type of program icon you can say. Here it is the start button, and here it is called quick launch toolbar. You can start your work fast from the program you opened once. You can start from here also. Toolbar, and this is the system tree, date and time, and here it is known as desktop background. Okay, so here till we did what is the background and what is the window, how does it work. Now desktop components. Window desktop comprises of the following components. Which are the components of the window? So first of all, desktop background, or you can say a wallpaper also. The background image that appears on the computer screen is called desktop background or wallpaper. Okay, you can say wallpaper or you can say background of the desktop. One is desktop icons. Okay, the small images, these are the small images known as desktop icon. Okay, this is part known as background of the desktop, or you can say wallpaper. Okay, so desktop icons, small image that appears on the screen, are called icons. These icons may represent a file or a folder or a program. Okay, it can be a folder also, it can be a name of program also, or you can say it can be a name of file. It is in the form of small icon. And start button, okay, you can see from the picture start button. So this start button is starting point of Windows menu system. Clicking the start button displays the start menu. When you click on the start, okay, the start button, you can see a start menu to start your work. On page number 26, taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal line, you can say horizontal bar that appears on the bottom of the desktop window by default. So desktop, and there you can see a taskbar. Here you can see which program till now you have seen. One type of short icon you can see on the taskbar. Okay, and next one was quick launch toolbar. The quick launch toolbar comprises of few frequently used program icons. When you click on an icon, this corresponding programs get launched. Okay, you can open from here also your previous program also. And next one is system tray. The system tray displays system date, system time. Now what is system date and system date and time? It is a computer date and time, and you can also set your date and time also. So here you can see change, and this sign is of the your voice also, how much your speaker voice you want. Okay, and this is the battery when you work with the help of computer, how much charging is there. If you are using your laptop, then here you can see. Okay, so that is the sign. And next class we will learn what is window. Thank you student, have a nice day.